Yeah, today ngicela ningilalelise kahle, ningilalelise kahle.
Yeah.
Mangithi serious foul play, mangithi violent conduct, he red card. Right. Asiyeni ke ku Silepe, the first one. Usilepe lan, is it violent conduct or serious foul play? The ball is in place, endangering the safety of an opponent. A card, yellow card, was it the correct card? No, this is the wrong card. Let's show you.
Oh.
The correct card should have been a red card. Nyang Mamel, red card for this. So, Lana, incorrect decision, asisasekang. Let's go to the next one. There's what we call headbutt. Now, sibona nje umaduna lana ulanda umfukeng umshaya ngempama aphinda futhi angishaya ngenhloko sibiza yilena sibiza ukuthi he violent conduct. Violent conduct is red card. Asibonele ukuthi wenzeni first uzobona ke nayo impama chisa head on the face yellow card. Asibonele the next one makathetha ukuthi impama lana uyakupha maduna and then he's going now with the head at the back. This is a red card. Violent conduct. Angayithola nge-red card asisasekanga. This was supposed to be red card apum. Asiyeni ke ukuthi no sibona uMobi yena uMobi lana sibona nje ushaya umuntu in front of the assistant referee. Bekacabangani. Now next to Umatibiti there, and then Mobi come with an elbow which is reckless, with excessive force. Now bazabudlala ball fast queen that whoa, wait, there's something we have to deal with. And then udila ngani bamtshela lana ukuthi nangu le nangu Mobi le nangu bayamlanda be straight red. uGeorge ukhalela yini uGeorge ethi sikubonisa George ukuthi ukhale mara nikhalela yini mafowethu nikhalela into enje bheka look at that. This is serious foul play. Matlangile hanya busopyo kala ntola busana ndibuyanda hezwi aziyethi bona look nikhalela yini uMobi uhlala at the last game next season masivula angekho ngoba usaseba le punishment le asiyeni ke ukuthi no sibona i-offside uReynolds ukore igol asibonile ukuthi was it correctly ruled offside asiyeni ke na igol yaka Reynolds very good goal. Was it correctly ruled offside? Sizokudrola iline kusoka zone sikubonisa ukuthi naye uNhlanhla uthi offside. Asibonile ke ukuthi no iline yethu yavumelana naye ke naye inyawo laka Justice Chabalala la livalile offside lana so 1 meter duda offside. So now incorrect decision. A goal should have been allowed. Urenas bekafanele ngaki lana
50.
No, I feel like it. Incorrect decision. Asiyeni kuShandi bathi mathi no uShandi scored the goal. This goal, was it offside or not? Asiyeni ke sokubonisa ukuthi umthetho offside which no a player in an offside position is only penalized at the moment he plays the ball. But in relation to the line or the ball, we can see that uShandu is in line with the ball. When a player is in line or behind the ball, he cannot be offside, even though there's only one opponent. When we draw the line there, you can see he's behind. The hand does not play football. Therefore, correct decision by the referee to give a goal. Right.
Well, there is a question that's been asked by a coach and owner of a team. Let's take you now to Janine van Beek. It's the second time that we're getting involved in her matters. Maybe this time around, she was right.
I thought that could have been a penalty, but I guess, the officiating for me wasn't the best performance today, but at the end of the day, a point each. One of my players got a yellow card, but it shows that it was a clear contact in the box, so I don't understand, and this obviously influences the game and the performance of the players, because mentally they're more focused on whether they get a yellow card.
Well, Coach Janine, la esoka zone sizokuphendula kahle sikubonisa was there contact or not. Asiyeni ke siyobona ke ukuthi no uCoach Janine ukhala kahle na or akusiyo lento ayikhalelayo na. If we have a look there, we'll now establish if there's contact between the player's leg that prevented the player from going past. You can see there's contact there. So when there's contact, now they stamped on the player there, and then the player could not move past. So therefore, penalty should have been given. A yellow card for simulation, a equal simulation when there's contact, because you can see that the player was stamped. And when you are stamped, for you to move, it's very difficult. So therefore, incorrect decision, coach, you can be right because the player was stamped and then incorrect decision by the referee.